I'm on right now Play Store. So you need to go search option. So tap on search and write Binance. Okay, Binance and tap on install. So as you know that install from Play Store taking some time. So I'm taking some break. So waiting for a while. My Binance has been downloaded, so right now Binance is installing. So I don't know what is the cost for taking huge time. So okay, I'm taking some break, and thereafter I'm come back here. Okay, Binance has installed, as you see right now on screen. So tap on open, and as you see Binance interface, so kind of it's interesting. So Binance loading, it's kind of interesting to me, like uh, yeah. So yeah, right now we are in Binance login page, registration and login page. So our journey would be started from here. So sign up, get 100 USDT trading fee rebate. So you can, if you want to see, you can just tap on FAQ. So I wouldn't click that because I don't want to waste your time. So option is here to sign up with email or phone. It's manually putting Gmail password, so you can create easily that. And one other easy to do registration is being continue with Google. So it's directly you can create your Binance account. So I wouldn't do that because my password, I think I need password, so therefore I put password here. But here you wouldn't get password, so directly your Gmail, your current Gmail by its would be great. So I wouldn't do that. I will do sign up with email or phone because of it's easy to do, and um, it's so clear, I would say. So tap on sign up and putting your Gmail, something like that. Just it's test for creating Gmail account I have, but just saying to you. Okay, you can, yeah, my Binance link will give on comment box. You just click on there and getting create an account. So my referral ID you can put here. So you just my referral ID. So I'm coming back. So okay, I'm giving some referral ID, so you can see that on comment box. So this written word put here, and click on next. So okay, see what will happen. So email verification code. So in my email uh, arriving a code, so this code put I need to put here. So you can do same. So okay, I'm taking my, so yeah, I'm taking my code. So I'm putting here something like that. This is 25 0 0 0 9 on and submit. So email verified, just put your password. So password would be uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and yeah, you can suggest a strong password or you can put manually whatever you want. So just something like that. Okay, like that. If you see up or down on a screen, okay, I can put there. Wait, just write Binance. You can put whatever you want, so I'm just putting that. Oh, okay, he just gone. It's unfortunately coming on screen, so you can put like manually whatever you want, like MB and uppercase letter and lowercase letter, everything mixed and combined would be a password. So like 1 2 3 and symbol. So yeah, it's my I might be forget that, so therefore it's I'm keeping copy. So tap on next. Account successfully created. You have right now an account, Binance account, that your all cryptocurrency, coin, NFT, you can accept, you can gain from another place, from worldwide, whatever country you uh, want to transaction. So just if you want to uh, transaction buy and sell, you can do in this account. So yeah, done. And we are right now enable passkey. So yeah, you can do that, but it's optional. Just tap on right above option cross. So and thereafter, okay, yeah, see what will happen. Account Binance info QIC. So okay, great. Okay, Binance loading is kind of interesting. Okay, uh, you can do that. Whatever country you're from, you select, yeah, like like Finland, and continue your first name and last name. I'm just saying example. So continue your nationality, Finland. What's okay, and then continue, and your birthday according to your identity card or whatever card you have, passport and other card, whatever you have, just putting your age, something like that, and month, and then date, whatever you want. Continue. Finish trust network or physical document. So I don't know what you have, but you can do that yourself because it's easy to do to you. So okay, I'm just saying, I think you have seen black skin because it's kind of Binance security system. So yeah, you can do that easily. So identity document, selfie, so selfie, continue, and select Finland. It's my example country, ID card, and something like that. So your identity card, like it's your identity card, yeah, front page, and then yeah, front page and back page, something like that. I don't know you are seeing or not seeing, because it's sometimes opinions do um, security, therefore one skin would be black. So no problem, you can do that yourself. So therefore you need to do taking selfie for verification. So okay, you do that easily. So I'm coming. So you can do that yourself, verify account QYC. If you haven't an ID card or your country's any card, so government card, so you just take your father, your mother, and your those has identity, those has card. So you just taking those card and verify Binance account, and Yeah, and then you need to do so. Let's say you have done your verify, so thereafter you need to do tap on left above option, man option, and Binance Pro. So you can do that, Binance Pro. So thereafter it's kind of, yeah, something like that. So please quickly need to do verification, KYC, deposit rate, so whatever you want. So right now you have in dollar, so spot nothing. So like you would be deposit uh, USDT. So search USDT, tap on USDT and deposit crypto, click on there, and this is network. Of which network you taking crypto, you taking dollar, just select there. So my favorite option is TRC20, so tap on there. And yeah, if you need to talk with those guy is um, giving you USDT. So yeah, when you have done verify, so you can do whatever you want. You can do withdraw, deposit. So right now I haven't verified my account KYC. So yeah, you can do that easily. So okay, so yeah, see you later in my next video. So today's is just I'm seeing how to create Binance account. It's easy to create. So yeah, it's something, it's sometimes complicated verification Binance account, but it's easy to do yourself. I think it's present time, so you can do that. Your father's card, whatever your family's card, no problem, so you can do that.